Hello and welcome to another video, guys. Today I'm going to show you a budget build PC, which is the newest 7th generation Intel Core CPU, the G4560, with a 2-core and 4 hyper-threading capacity for the best gaming and also for the editing operations. This is the best CPU, with which I am comparing the Gigabyte H110m-s2 motherboard. This motherboard is for the 6th generation processor, but the newest motherboard, which starts from the serial number 165, it's been updated to the 7th generation processors, so you don't need to update the BIOS from a different CPU. This is the DDR4 4GB RAM which I'm using for this build. So as you can see here, I'm installing the Pentium G4560 into the motherboard, and it's a 2-core CPU and a 4 hyper-thread, so every game can run in high settings. And also for the editing purposes, you can use CorelDRAW X7 and AutoCAD 15 and 16 also very easily. In the market you will get this processor for the 4000 and also motherboard for the 4000, so it's very cheap PC and you can build it for the high setting games. Okay, so that's it. See you in the next one, guys. Thank you.